There, yeah, the battery's out. And flip it back over. And I'm going to use this equipment. I'm going to use a microfiber cloth, use a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, and some misting spray. This has to be misting and not drippy, not splashy spray. If it's misting, then it has a chance of not damaging anything. Otherwise it would be. Okay, for the magic eraser is really quite well named because it is rather magic. You wipe on things and things go away. You go all around and over the keyboard, around and over the keyboard, and around, not on the screen. And please avoid the camera. Avoid the camera while you're using the magic eraser, and that'll be that. Use the spray on the screen. It's a mist, so it's okay. And a trick for this is to flip it over so that you're pushing flat down on it like that, and you can just wipe it with a little bit more assurance that it's not going to knock anything, break anything. Okay.